Don't put your progress on hold. Friends, you are once again welcomed by the Max Bot channel. Right now I will show you how I use an effective robot in my work, which helps me to understand the market better. It can work not only with basic currency pairs, but also with OTC trading. Pick up the bot for free from the link in the description. After a month you will be able to get it only for a fee, so hurry up. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager, he will tell you everything. And now let's go. Pound and yen, over-the-counter trading. I chose the 5-minute time frame. Artificial intelligence gave me a recommendation, lower. Yes, the bears should improve their position now. Friends, to not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment. I think that now the price will push away from the resistance zone and we will see a period of sideways movement with the prospect of breaking through the support zone and a slight decline in price. At this point, the bulls have maxed out their potential and the bears have new opportunities. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. And also on the link in the description together with the free robot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of it. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. So, you've taken losses. Felt defeated. Questioned your decisions. Maybe even asked yourself, is this trading thing really for me? If that sounds familiar, let me hit you with the truth. You're not broken. You're just in the process. Every great trader, investor, entrepreneur, they've all stood in your shoes. They've seen charts betray them, strategies fail, and confidence evaporate. But they didn't quit, because winners aren't born, they're built. Before we dive into the fire of motivation, let's ground ourselves with the reality of the battlefield. Trading without money management is like stepping into the UFC ring with your hands tied behind your back. You don't go into the market swinging with your entire balance. You go in with precision. Calculated. Surgical. Rule of thumb. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. If you've got $100, your trade is $1. If you've got $1,000, it's $10. Why? Because we're not gamblers. We're risk managers. And with this discipline, you give yourself room to lose without blowing up your account. Think about it. Even the best NBA shooters miss half their shots. Steph Curry doesn't make every three-pointer, but he takes them smartly, within a system, a rhythm, a game plan. Be like Steph. Be consistent, not chaotic. Charts are not your enemy. They're not confusing lines, they're a language. Learn the dialect of price action. Master the dialect of candlestick psychology. Because when you start to understand how support and resistance speak, you start predicting moves like a chess grandmaster. You think Elon Musk just guessed his way to Mars? No. He followed data, calculations, trajectory. The same goes for you. I just got a plus from my first trade. Yes, the symbiosis of my thinking and the robot's analytics works. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I got the prediction again, lower. I re-entered the market. So, I think we will soon see a bounce from a new resistance zone. I think the bears continue to develop their potential. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. I built an assistant, a tool to help you read signals cleaner, spot better opportunities, simplify your trading process, without doing the thinking for you. You still make the decisions. But now, you're armed. Right now, this assistant is absolutely free. But only for a limited time. In 30 days, it goes premium. So yeah, if you want to be one of the smart ones, grab it from the link in the description. This is for traders who are serious, who are done guessing, who want structure, clarity, confidence. I've seen it. I know people, regular folks, who used to clock into jobs they hated, slowly learned trading, and eventually walked away to live life on their terms. Was it overnight? Nope. Was it easy? Absolutely not. But it was worth it. And if you think that sounds unrealistic, remember, Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage. Oprah was fired from her first job. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination. Michael Jordan didn't make his high school varsity team. Rejection isn't the end. It's the beginning of your real story. Just like starting a business. Just like investing in real estate. Just like launching a YouTube channel. Risk is part of the game. But risk is manageable. Risk is calculated. Risk can be trained. That's why your deposit size matters. If you're starting with $100, you're not gonna make $1,000 overnight. You trade $1 per trade, make 80 cents per win. Grow slow. Grow solid. With $1,000, now you're placing $10 per trade, earning $8 on wins. That's leverage with discipline. Want more results? Grow your capital responsibly. But always, always, follow your rules. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to strategy for options? Which indicator gives you the most confidence? How do you apply money management? Have you ever wanted to quit trading, and what made you stay? Let's grow together. Let's share insights. Your comment might inspire someone on the edge of giving up today. So, I finished the job. That's another plus. That's 2 successful deals. That's $2,476 total. Take the bot for free. Take our trader course for free. Links are in the description. More cool content coming up here soon. Subscribe and click on the bell. Bye.